Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For centuries, humanity has looked up at the stars and asked, are we alone? It is one of the most profound questions we can ask. And right now, one of the most exciting places to search for an answer is in a distant exoplanet, but a mysterious moon right here in our own solar system, Jupiter's icy moon Europa. Europa is believed to hide a vast, salty ocean beneath its frozen shell, an ocean that could potentially harbor life. And NASA's Europa Clipper mission, launched last October 2024, is our most sophisticated messenger yet on its long journey to investigate. Today, we have got fresh news from Clipper's voyage, plus another fascinating cosmic event involving a star-shredding black hole. So buckle up as we explore the anticipation for life on Europa and the latest dispatches from our cosmic neighborhood. If you love space exploration and the search for life, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our updates. So why all the excitement about Europa? Why is this icy moon, smaller than Earth's moon, considered a primary suspect in our search for alien life? The big reason, as I mentioned, is its global subsurface ocean. Data from previous missions like Galileo strongly suggest that beneath Europa's 10 to 5 miles of ice, there is a saltwater ocean that could be 40 to 100 miles deep. Think about that. This hidden ocean could contain more than twice the amount of water in all of Earth's oceans combined. But water alone isn't enough for life as we know it. You need energy and chemistry. Europa has those too. Its orbit around massive Jupiter causes immense tidal forces. Imagine Europa being constantly squeezed and stretched as it orbits. This tidal flexing is believed to generate enough heat to keep that subsurface ocean liquid. And crucially, this same tidal energy could power hydrothermal vents on Europa's seafloor. Here on Earth, deep beneath the waves, far from sunlight, hydrothermal vents spew out heat and chemicals from the planet's interior, supporting entire ecosystems of bizarre and fascinating creatures. Could similar oases of life exist in the dark, cold depths of Europa's ocean, powered by its internal heat? The possibility is electrifying. Scientists believe the necessary chemical ingredients for life, like carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, and sulfur, could also be present, perhaps delivered by comet and asteroid impacts, or leached from the moon's rocky interior. So the conditions seem tantalizingly right. We are not expecting complex creatures, of course. If life exists, it's most likely microbial, perhaps similar to the extremophiles found in Earth's harshest environments. But finding any life beyond Earth would be one of the most profound discoveries in human history. This is where NASA's Europa Clipper comes in. This incredible spacecraft isn't designed to land, but it will make dozens of close flybys of Europa once it arrives in April 2030, using a powerful suite of instruments to investigate its habitability. Clipper will map the moon's surface in high resolution, determine the thickness of its icy shell, study the composition of its surface and faint atmosphere, and even search for plumes of water vapor that might be erupting from the ocean below, giving us a potential sample of that hidden sea. And this brings us to the recent news from around May 15 to 19, 2025. Europa Clipper is still on its long journey to Jupiter, but its science instruments are being powered on and tested. The mission team just announced the successful initial commissioning of its Ultraviolet Spectrograph, or UVS. The UVS is a vital instrument. It will analyze ultraviolet light from Europa to determine the composition of its tenuous atmosphere and how its surface materials interact with radiation from Jupiter. It can help identify chemicals like oxygen and hydrogen, look for salts and organic molecules on the surface that might have originated from the ocean, and characterize any potential plumes. This first light for the UVS instrument doesn't mean we have groundbreaking scientific data from the Europa yet. It's still far away. But it means the instrument is healthy, working as expected, and calibrating itself for its crucial work ahead. It's like the spacecraft is slowly opening its eyes, getting ready for the main event in 2030. Every successful instrument check builds the anticipation. The wait until 2030 is long, but the promise of what Europa Clipper might discover is immense. Each piece of data it sends back will help us understand this ocean world better and assess whether it truly could be a haven of life. Now, while we dream of Europa, the cosmos doesn't stand still. In other recent news, around May 19, astronomers reported a fascinating and somewhat violent event. They have observed a massive black hole tearing apart a star, an event called a tidal disruption event, or TDE. What makes this one particularly interesting is its location. The black hole isn't at the center of its galaxy, where supermassive black holes usually reside. Instead, it seems to be lurking further out, perhaps in a smaller star cluster, or it might even be a wandering black hole. When a star gets too close, the black hole's immense gravity shreds it, causing a brilliant flare of light that can be seen across vast distances. Studying these TDEs help astronomers understand black hole behavior, their populations outside galactic centers, and extreme physics involved. It's another reminder of the dynamic and sometimes dramatic nature of our universe. So, from the violent demise of stars to the painstaking search for conditions conducive to life on an icy moon, space exploration continues to awe and inspire. The news from Europa Clipper's UVS instrument is a small but vital step on a long journey that could answer one of humanity's biggest questions. The anticipation for what we might find in Europa's hidden ocean will only continue to build over these next few years. Could there be life swimming in those dark alien seas warmed by Jupiter's pull? We don't know yet, but we are sending our best robotic explorer to find out. What do you think Europa Clipper will discover? Could Europa harbor life? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoy this journey to our cosmic backyard and beyond, please like this video, share it with other space enthusiasts, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future explorations of the universe and the search for life. Thanks for watching. Keep looking up.